How to start a profitable mushroom farm at home. Let me know you that with just a dark corner of your home, you could start a small farm that brings in thousands of rupees each month. Isn't it interesting? Welcome to mushroom farming, simple, sustainable and surprisingly profitable. Hello everyone, you all are welcome in this AgriWorld channel. Today I'll show you how you can start a profitable mushroom farm from your home. And it's quite easy to do even if you have never farmed before. Why mushrooms? They grow fast, require little space and sell well in both cities and rural areas. Plus, they can grow year-round with basic setup. Choose the right mushroom. There are many types of mushrooms, but for beginners, these three are the best. Oyster, fast, easy and high yield. Button, most common, high yield. Shiitake, premium price in urban markets. What you need to start: dark mushroom spawn, substrate like straw, sawdust or cardboard, plastic bags or trays, basic thermometer or hygrometer. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Prepare the substrate. Choose your growing material: straw, sawdust, cardboard or coffee grounds. Chop or shred it into small pieces to make it easier for the mycelium to colonize. The substrate acts like soil for mushrooms. It provides nutrition and structure. Step number 2. Pasteurize or sterilize it. This step is crucial to kill off unwanted bacteria or mold. Pasteurization: soak the substrate in hot water. Sterilization: use a pressure cooker for sawdust or dense materials. Let it cool completely before moving on. Step 3. Mix in the mushroom spawn. Once the substrate is cool, evenly mix in your mushroom spawn. Please be sure to use clean hands or gloves. Break up the spawn into small chunks for better distribution. This is when the mycelium gets introduced and starts colonizing the substrate. Pack in bags or trays. Transfer the mixture into plastic grow bags, containers or trays. Pack it firmly, but don't compress too much. It still needs airflow. Seal or cover loosely to keep in humidity while allowing some gas exchange. Step 5. Keep in a dark, humid place. Store the packed bags or trays in a dark, moist space. Keep humidity around 80 to 90%. Use a hygrometer or thermometer to monitor conditions. You can mist the air or cover with a damp cloth to maintain moisture. Step 6. Wait 2 to 3 weeks and then harvest it. During this time, the mycelium spreads through the substrate. After full colonization, you will see mushrooms spinning. Within a few days, they will grow rapidly and be ready to harvest. Gently twist or cut at the base to harvest without disturbing the rest. Like, share and subscribe this video if you find it informative.